If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I have another unbox. I recently got this what is it called, blender Ninja. I have it before, but mine broke, so I got the same blender. So I've been unboxing it. Actually, let me why. And I will demonstrate by doing using it to do the smoothie. And it comes in this box, this big box. Let me put down the camera so you can see. So it comes in this box. So this is the Ninja blender. I think it comes in three different. It's just the one blender, but it has these two different. This one I think is more like a blender. This one is a food processor, and this is the Ninja for blending fruits like smoothie. This is more like a food processor, and this is the blender, and this one is extra large, so it has the same picture here, here. So this is the blender. That's how we open it up. This is really tall. So it comes with the cover and the guide and the manual, and it has this blade. It actually comes with two of these cups for smoothie. So one is just you can use for cup, and the other one so it comes with just two cups. It comes with this blade for the blender, and this is the blender. Our box is so you guys to see it. Actually, this is the blender comes with a blade, so I'm assuming this one is for the food processor or the smoothie, So this is the base. It comes with this. With this base. Okay, and this is the food processor, but the food processor also comes with a blade. So yeah, this one comes with the blade too. This is for the smoothie, and I think this is an extra. I don't know why it comes with two. So this one comes with the blade, and it has extra cup I can use for your juicing, and it comes with a food processor also. And I believe this is the cover of the blender. This is the blender, and it comes with this color. So this is the one I had before, but I had it for maybe 6 years, and it got spoiled. It's just that I cannot open the top, so I had to order a new one. But when I got it, it came with only this one, so this two. But now it comes with the food processor, the smoothie maker, and also the blender. I don't want this video to be too long, so I may have to do another video to actually use it to blend something and show you guys. So if you like this kind of video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.
It's my only solution.